Imagine you are sitting comfortably, watching TV or reading a book. You suddenly stand up to grab a glass of water, but in a split second, your vision turns pitch black. Your head spins, and you feel like you might collapse. Does this sound familiar? If you are over 60, this sudden darkness is more than just a dizzy spell. It is a direct signal from your heart and your brain. In TSBDO, we will reveal exactly why this happens, and more importantly, how you can fix it using simple, natural steps. Don't ignore this warning sign. Let's find out what your body is trying to tell you. When you sit or lie down, your blood pools in your belly and legs. Gravity is pulling everything toward the earth. When you stand up suddenly, that blood stays down there for a moment. This causes a sudden drop in the blood pressure reaching your brain. Doctors call this orthostatic hypotension. According to the Mayo Clinic, this is a common condition as we age. Your heart is supposed to pump faster to push that blood back up. Your blood vessels are supposed to tighten like a garden hose to increase pressure. But as we get older, our pressure sensors can become a bit slow. They don't react as quickly as they used to. For a few seconds, your brain is literally starved of oxygen-rich blood. This is why your vision fades and your head spins. Research from Harvard Medical School suggests that dehydration makes this much worse. If your blood volume is low, your heart has even less to pump. Sometimes, certain medications for blood pressure can also overreact. They might be keeping your pressure too low when you need it to rise. It is like a temporary power outage in your nervous system. If this happens often, it means your circulation needs a little help. But the good news is, you can retrain your body to handle these shifts. Understanding this process is the first step towards staying safe and steady. The first and most powerful medicine is found in your kitchen. Hydration is the foundation of steady blood pressure. As we age, our thirst signal weakens, so we must drink water even when not thirsty. Eating water-rich fruits like watermelon and cucumbers can provide a steady supply of fluids. Citrus fruits, like oranges and lemons, are packed with vitamin C to strengthen your blood vessels. According to studies in the Journal of Nutrition, potassium-rich foods are essential for heart health. Add bananas, spinach, and sweet potatoes to your daily meals to balance your minerals. Beetroot juice is another miracle for circulation, as it opens up your arteries. Sometimes, a tiny pinch of natural sea salt in your morning water can help maintain blood volume. Always consult your doctor before increasing salt, especially if you have hypertension. Beyond diet, how you move matters just as much as what you eat. Before standing up, try the ankle pump exercise while sitting. Simply flex your feet up and down 10 times to get the blood moving upward. When getting out of bed, sit on the edge for 30 seconds before standing. This gives your heart enough time to adjust the pressure to your brain. Simple habits like these can act as a natural shield against dizziness. By feeding your body the right nutrients, you are giving your heart the tools it needs. Nature provides the ingredients, but you must provide the consistency. Beyond your daily diet, certain natural supplements can provide extra support. Research published in the Journal of Dietary Supplements highlights the benefits of magnesium. Magnesium helps your blood vessels relax and contract properly when you move. Include magnesium-rich pumpkin seeds or almonds in your daily snacks. Another powerful ally is Ginkgo biloba, known for centuries to improve brain circulation. A study in the journal Phytomedicine suggests it helps oxygen reach the brain more efficiently. Coinsmekudies or cacten is like fuel for your heart cells. It helps your heart pump blood with more strength and precision. However, always check with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you are already taking medication for heart or blood pressure. Don't forget the power of simple compression as a physical aid. If your dizziness is severe, compression socks can prevent blood from pooling in your legs. This keeps the blood moving upward where your brain needs it most. Staying active with daily walks also keeps your blood vessels elastic and responsive. Your body is an amazing machine that just needs the right maintenance. By combining the right nutrients with smart habits, you can stop the darkness. You deserve to feel steady, clear-headed, and confident every time you stand. Take control of your circulation today for a safer and more energetic tomorrow. If you found these tips helpful, please hit the like button. Share this video with a friend or family member who might need this advice. Don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health secrets for vitality after 60. Check out our other videos on circulation and heart health right here on the screen. Stay healthy, stay steady, and I will see you in the next video. Stick around for more totally amazing wellness path health tips. Take care of your heart, and it will take care of you.